So, is the Tiiny AI Pocket Lab about to replace Cloud AI, or is it just clever marketing? I've been following the buzz since CES 2026, and here's what I found. First, this thing is definitely legit. Not only did Guinness World Records certify it as the world's smallest mini PC running 100 large language models locally, but Mashable even tested it live. They ran a 120 billion parameter model offline, right there on the show floor. But, let's get real. Can it actually replace Cloud AI? The answer is sort of. If your main goal is privacy or ditching monthly fees, the Pocket Lab is a game changer. It's built for offline tasks. Think private document analysis or a local coding assistant. And thanks to features like Turbo Sparse, it spits out over 20 tokens per second on those giant models, all without an internet connection. But here's the catch. It isn't a server-grade GPU. You're not going to train massive models or handle huge multi-user workloads. The raw throughput and context window just can't match something like an H100 in the cloud. So, what's the step-by-step if you want in? First, figure out your use case. Pocket Lab's perfect for secure, fast local inference, but you'll want to stick with Cloud AI for heavy lifting. Next, check the specs. You're looking at 80GB RAM, a 12-core ARM CPU, and a custom NPU at 190 tops. If that covers your needs, you can reserve a unit with a refundable deposit on Tiiny AI's official site. Keep an eye on their Kickstarter in February for that super early bird price of $1,390. Once it arrives, estimated August 2026, the setup's straightforward. Just use TinyOS's one-click client to deploy open-source models, no coding wizardry necessary. Bottom line? The Tiiny AI Pocket Lab is real, but it's not magic. It's a powerful edge AI node. Just don't expect it to replace the cloud entirely.